Protesting farmer leaders have alleged a sinister conspiracy has been hatched to kill 4 union leaders during the proposed tractor rally on January 26th on Republic Day to create disturbance and to incite violence. At a late-night press conference, farmer leaders at Singhu border presented a person who claimed that during the tractor rally, his team members were allegedly asked to pose as policemen and kill the 4 farmer leaders. He also named the police official at whose behest he was allegedly working. The masked man claimed that their team of 10 people, including 2 women, were given weapons and 10,000 rupees to carry out the job. The Delhi police meanwhile said that they're not aware of any masked man, adding that no formal complaint has been filed with them till now. The man has been handed over to the Haryana police. He is currently being interrogated at the Sonipat crime branch office. Delhi's ruling party, Aam Aadmi Party, has condemned the incident. AAP spokesperson and MLA Raghav Chadha said that the worst fears seem to be coming true. He questioned if this is how the centre wants to put an end to the farmers' stir, backing the farmers' claim that there's a massive conspiracy in place.
हमारा प्लान ये था कि जो से होगी जैसे 26 तारीख को बढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो पहले जो लाइन होगी उसमें क्या होगा, जैसे जो गन चलाएगा, जो सबसे पहले दिल्ली पुलिस इनको रोकने की कोशिश करेगी, जो गन चलाएगा सर, वो ये होगा कि पहले हम शूट करेंगे, पहले रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे। अगर ये बाई चांस नहीं रुकते तो इन पे शूट होने का ऑर्डर है। जो 26 तारीख को जो रैली होगी उसमें से आधी, जो 26 तारीख को होगी उसमें से आधी लोग घर के होंगे जो पुलिस की वर्दी में होंगे, इनको तितर बितर करने के लिए 4 लोगों की फ़ोटो दे दी गई है। और जो हमें सिखाता है वो प्रदीप सिंह है, राय थाने का एसएचओ है। वो
इस लड़के नूं जो फड़िया गया, फिर इन्हें मतलब फड़िया तो नहीं उस करके भी दस की है, कितने किहड़ी लड़की की गल है, कौन किहने छेड़छाड़ की है, वो तो गल है ही नहीं सी कोई। ये दस्सण मुताबिक आ भी मैं इस वास्ते छेड़छाड़ की सी, ये रौला पवाया सीगा। वो होने की बजाय साडे असीं इहनूं मतलब साडे जिहड़े वलंटीयर सी उन्होंने फड़ लिया, फड़ के इहनूं पुछ दस कीती। जदों उस पुछ दस दे विच फिर इहने ये सारियां गल्लां मन्नियां जिहड़ियां तुहाडे सामने आ रही हैं।
22 जनवरी की रात तकरीबन 10:45 पर सिंघू बॉर्डर पर किसान नेताओं ने अचानक एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस बुलाई। किसान नेता जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में पहुंचे तो उनके साथ एक मास्क मैन भी मौजूद था। मास्क मैन ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कई चौंकाने वाले खुलासे किए। मास्क मैन ने खुलासा किया कि किस तरीके से 10 लोगों की टीम बनाई गई है, जिनका मकसद किसान आंदोलन को डिस्टर्ब करना था। 26 जनवरी के दिन 4 किसान नेताओं को गोली मारना था, ऐसा खुलासा मास्क मैन ने किया। मास्क मैन ने यह भी कहा कि बाकायदा 10 लोगों की टीम बनाई गई है, जिसमें 2 लड़कियां शामिल थी। 26 तारीख को जब ट्रैक्टर मार्च निकलता तो उस दौरान पुलिस की वर्दी में लाठी चार्ज करना था, गोली चलानी थी, जिसके बाद भगदड़ मचती और फिर हिंसा भड़कती। जब योगेश से पूछताछ हुई तो उसने खुलासा किया। योगेश ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में यह भी बताया कि उसे 4 तस्वीरें दी गई थी किसान नेताओं की और उनकी हत्या की साजिश रची गई थी। तो ये कई चौंकाने वाले खुलासे हैं। किसान नेताओं का कहना है कि इस पूरे मामले की जांच होनी चाहिए। वहीं सोनीपत क्राइम ब्रांच टीम जो योगेश है उससे लगातार पूछताछ कर रही है। आने वाले दिनों में देखना होगा कि योगेश के दावों में कितना दम है। कैमरामैन आलोक दास के साथ अरविंद ओझा, सोनीपत।
We also spoke to the SHO of the Rai police station in Haryana, Sonipat, who the masked man claimed was the main conspirator of the plan. While the man identified this SHO as Pradeep, the post is actually held by Vivek Malik for the last 7 months. Here's the conversation that we had with this SHO.
अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में एक आरोप लगाया गया किसान जो सिंघू बॉर्डर पर, उसमें प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में एक लड़का बोल रहा है कि एसएचओ प्रदीप जो है उन्होंने मुझे पैसे दिए, उन्होंने किसान आंदोलन में जो है वो किसान नेताओं को गोली मारने के लिए कहा था।
आप कौन बोल रहे हो?
मैं आज तक न्यूज चैनल से बोल रहा हूँ। तो ये जो आरोप लग रहा है एसएचओ राई ने साजिश रची, उस लड़के को सिंघू बॉर्डर भेजा किसानों के बीच जी, तो इस पे क्या कहना है आपका? तो ये प्रदीप कौन है? मतलब अगर आपने पता इंक्वायरी की, चूंकि एसएचओ राई आप हैं।
जी, मैं नहीं जानता, मेरे पास मेरे स्टाफ में कोई प्रदीप नाम का सिपाही भी नहीं। अपना ये है, पिछले 7.5 महीने से राई हूँ। मैं सिर्फ पुलिसिंग करता हूँ, पुलिसिंग के सिवाय एक्स्ट्रा जो वर्क है मैं उनकी तरफ बिल्कुल मेरा कोई ध्यान नहीं है।
नहीं तो आपको जब नाम ये एसएचओ राई है तो आपको फोन आए, आपको लोगों ने पूछा कुछ?
नहीं, मेरे पास फोन नहीं। आपका फोन आया जो आप आए, मैं बैठे हैं भैया, हमको चोर थोड़ी है भाग के जाएंगे कहीं अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया है, अपना रोल है ही नहीं।
Now, that particular conversation that we had with the SHO has raised also a lot of questions. I want to take this across to Ashutosh Mishra, who's joining us live from the Singhu border, which is where all of this drama played out late last night. Ashutosh, good morning. I first want you to explain to our viewers exactly what happened. Who is this masked man? How was he identified by the protesting farmers?
So let me give you the entire perspective how this has unfolded, the entire drama that unfolded last evening. Remember, even in December, various Reiki they have volunteers placed. So this agitation is kind of well planned. There, the youth team, they are continuously keeping vigil through the CCTV cameras, through the drones, and the volunteers at every corner, every stage they have deployed. Even in December, at various instances, they found suspicious activities and in fact caught them and handed over to police, including a man who was snooping them with a camera, a wired camera with some device. So there were many such videos where viral when the farmers alleges that they are being spied upon or snooped upon. Those incidents unfolded in December. Last night during the vigil, the volunteers, since they keep eye on everyone, remember everyone, if I say, including the media persons, they keep checking their I cards, which organization they belong to, whether they are media persons or someone else. So they, keep identifying amongst with each other with where walkie-talkie, the technologies that they use, and that was the alert vigil. Then when they found and noticed this suspicious activity of this masked men, and then they caught them and took him to the farmers' leaders. Of course, during the questioning, because he might have realized that what could be the repercussion, and then he disclosed all this. And remember, why it is so sensitive, as India is going to celebrate its Republic Day, there is already intelligence alert existed that, there could be anti-social elements, anti-national elements, which could disrupt the peace and harmony of the country. So that's the usual alert comes every year. And this year could be possibly that farmers' agitation, since they have also announced to hold a Republic Day tractor parade. Simultaneously, there will be a national parade on the Rajpath. So in this, while India is going to celebrate its Republic Day, some elements could use this opportunity to trigger violence, trigger some kind of tensions. And that seems to be how it played. And when farmers who were vigil, caught this masked man, interrogated him, and then got him on the camera in the press conference where he alleged that how he was paid by someone, though the Rai SHO denied that his role, that he was not neither the man he named, he cannot be found so far. The man was caught and then handed over to Haryana police further, where in Sonipat he is in custody, he is being interrogated. So all these things are happening, but you have to give it to the farmers, they were vigil, and any suspicious activities they are noticing, they caught the man, they handed over to police. Now it is up to the police to interrogate him, investigate the entire case, and go to the depth of the case, that what exactly the conspiracies, who all are mastermind, and if there at all any such threat on this farmers' agitation.
And the allegation of this masked man, Ashutosh, has raised a lot of eyebrows. The fact that he's saying that this is based on the instruction of the police, based on the instruction of the SHO. He named someone called Pradeep. The SHO we found of the Rai police station is actually named Vivek Malik. So a lot that doesn't really add up here, and perhaps investigations only will give us those answers. For the moment, Ashutosh, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.